Good guy.
You like your
I see it. I'm right here. Do you like it? Buster, go on. Mommy is yogi. Are you do you want your daddy to look? Is that what you were trying to?
Would you like a little bit of family advice? Maybe my father is an art dealer.
Who is that?
To be honest,
Are you gonna pull a chair out? You want a snack?
Did you hear that?
Merry Christmas, Billy.
Tell people what they're seeing. Looking at this exhibition, I would call his work.
It's that. I get it. You can put it on the table.
I thought we weren't doing presents right away.
What's the thing like you said you really think Logan's gonna win? Here, bring it here. Podgy, can we have a pair of scissors, please? It's too heavy. What's that?
It's Dimitri.
here.
Just Dimitri.
Hold on, buddy. Okay, wait 1 minute. Jimmy, you can get more belly.
Now,
Do you hear that?
Could you take a nap?
Here, look. Put them up there. Push that. Oh
what's classic American cuisine? I know it's
no! Here, put them
Do
up
it again?
here. Put the cars up here.
talking to you somewhere.
My house is on. We probably could wait if you guys want. Since he's very content with what he's got right now.
Fantastic news.
Fine with me.